The month of August 2019 is coming to an end, meaning we get to reflect on 10 of our favorite Android apps to hit the Play Store during the month. Without further ado, let's get started. mnml Launcher is a simple third-party launcher powered by artificial intelligence. Over time, complex algorithms will learn how and when you use your apps to suggest the right apps at the right time. You'll see 9 AI suggested apps on your home screen, which again, are fluid and will change over time. But as you can see, it's damn minimal. You have these key apps. You can search for apps by tapping on the search icon, or you can tap on the app grid icon to open up all of your apps. And if you want to make things even more minimal, you can tap outside the box to hide those bottom 2 functions. I can see some people really liking this launcher and others just really hating it. Gallery Go is a lightweight app for organizing and editing your photos. It's from Google, and it uses machine learning to automatically organize your photos and also give you the tools you need to enhance them. And what's neat about it is it all works offline. The app organizes your photos for you depending on who or what is in them, and all the organization actually takes place on your phone and not in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about going over any sort of data limit. The app itself is only 10 megabytes in size, so it's great for those with lower end hardware and or slower internet connections. Top Speed 2 is a fun racing game that's completely free and home to over 70 of the fastest cars in the world. You can customize the heck out of them and race online or via the story and elite modes. The actual racing is in a third-person type view where you control the shifting and acceleration. It's a little bit different than a classic first-person racing game, but the graphics are good, and I'd say if you're really into customizing your cars and unlocking the extra features, I think this game should really satisfy you. However, if you just care solely about the actual racing and the driving and controls, I think you'll be a little bit disappointed. Glitch Lab is a really neat photo editing app that can add some super cool and unique effects to your photos. There are over 100 effects covering color, pixel sorting, data corruption, text and gimmicks, and art filters. It's one of those apps that I recommend just installing and messing around with to see what you're able to get out of it. Philo, or Philo, is an internet TV company that first launched at Harvard University in 2009 and is backed by HBO, Facebook co-founder Andrew McCollum, and Mark Cuban. What it offers you is access to a bunch of TV networks and shows for a one-time flat fee per month. So you get access to like Comedy Central, A&E, Nickelodeon, the Food Network, and more. You can get 58 channels for $20 a month. So it could be a good option for some cable subscribers looking to cut the cord and cut the absurd costs of cable TV. Now, we're not getting paid by them by any means. They simply just launched a new Android app that we thought we'd check out. Also, I just like the backstory. It kind of reminds me of Facebook and how it got started. Postit, the company behind Post-it notes, has launched a Post-it note-taking app that should have been launched many years ago, if we're being honest, but for whatever reason, it's just now being launched. Basically, you create Post-it notes in digital form and group them into different boards or categories depending on the notes. You can drag them around and tap to edit the notes. You can also use the share feature to easily share the notes to your favorite sites like Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. If you're a big Post-it notes user, you might want to check out Postit. Gigantic X is a fast-paced, top-down sci-fi shooter with tons of action-packed gameplay. Earn your spurs as a spacefaring mercenary by clearing habitable planets of alien parasites, battling deadly, monstrous creatures, and helping defend the ever-expanding frontier. Zones of constant conflict and action. As you progress through the game, you'll learn attack patterns and how to respond to different scenarios. You can play as 3 unique characters with different weapons and abilities, and even play a co-op mode with friends in real time. There are in-app ads and optional purchases, but otherwise, it's completely free. Wolpepper is a new wallpaper app that offers some fresh HD wallpapers for your mobile device. The wallpapers are from unsplash.com and are of 4K resolution or higher to help support the pixel-packed mobile displays we have in abundance today. There are more than 200,000 wallpapers to choose from, with more added each and every day. And what's cool about this app is that it has some editing features built in so you can edit the images to tune them to your liking. CheckATree is a file manager that syncs up to your desktop computer so you can view the status of your downloads from your phone. The file manager allows you to control your files by pausing, resuming, canceling, and more. The app is really handy for those who download a bunch of files on their computer, as you'll be able to view the progress from afar. The app works with Windows, iOS, and Android, but a Mac version is coming soon. Puzzle Go is a game with a bunch of different puzzles to play through, like Sudoku and Match 3. There's a bunch of different puzzles to play through that will stimulate your mind and challenge you. Now, I used to play Sudoku back in the day, and I can say it's definitely a mind workout. If you haven't played it before, I highly recommend it. There's also some other fun puzzle games to play with here too. With that last one, those are 10 of our favorite Android apps to hit the Play Store during the month of August 2019. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you're brand new and let us know which app is your favorite in a comment down below. As always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDog.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you right back here in the next one. See ya.